Hey, YouTube. Hello. I'm here with a friend. And we're going to do the gymnastics challenge. 3 moves. You got it? 3 moves. And this is the gymnastics challenge. And we might not quite get them right, but we're still going to try. Yep. Subscribe. Number 2 is the back bend. And number 3. Okay. Oh, that little yoga. Come on. Okay. Wait. And now we're just gonna be doing random moves, and that was number 3. Alright, leg up, and kick, and back. A twisting. It's a back bend over. Now back bend over. Front foot back bend over. Hello. Now we're moving on to the swing. The Toya swing. Alright. She's gonna swing me. So we should do gymnastics moves on the tree. And while the swing is moving, I will hop on the top. Alright. Let's scoop this thing. Alright, we're gonna try to do this trick. Now we're going to start swinging back and forth. Back and forth. Gymnastics. Alright, I'm going to be the one to do gymnastics up here. And let's start with that leg hold. Get that leg hold. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Remember that, children? Well, whoever's watching. Always do that leg, hold it. Leg, hold it. It's like an alphabet. Alright. That's enough with the swing. And that is it, YouTube. That was some kind of gymnastics challenge. Yeah. That was some kind of gymnastics challenge. Maybe we won. I don't know. Who won? We're both doing the same move. So remember to like, comment, and subscribe.